A few moments later.
Would you be the one on mine? I get a little bit breathless, so I wanna find you. Head in the
Woo, reach the top. Let's go.
Okay guys, we reached to the top. Woohoo. Okay, make it drop.
Oh my god, my face is like,
Red.
oh, it's like lack of oxygen kind of red. Oh, I brought your Twiggies and all. It's in Hish's bag.
Oh, H1 is already here, but he's looking out for Yunesh. Yeah, Madhu and Shati is coming. So yeah. Yay, we reached to the
Because
top.
Hishman is responsible. She hari.
Go Madhu Suri. Little bit more. Madhu Suri.
Wow, my Suri got abs, eh? You run back up.
How's your feeling?
Yeah, good. Happy with everyone's pace. We did it within 1 hour.
Yay.
Yeah, it's 10:10. Hi.
Hi.
Rather go Pilates 10:10.
Yeah. How's
I
your
made it
feeling?
because of Hishman.
Yes, motivational speaker.
Yeah, motivational speaker.
Bukan macam kau, tinggal seorang.
Reverse second.
Yeah.
Hello Madhu Suri, how's the waterfall?
Very nice.
Very nice.
It's the best. Pause. It's a very easy hike.
How's the hike for you?
First time hike, not bad.
Not bad. Oh, good. Yeah. How's the hike?
It was nice. At one point, we thought we got lost coming down.
Oh no.
And then there was somebody, we don't know who or something, that was shouting woo, 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 woo from inside the hutan, and this guy just started replying to it.
Oh no. Mistake. How's the hike? Yeah. Cannot speak already. Yeah. Okay, how's the hike?
Yeah, it was good. It was good weather today.
Yeah,
weather.
The only thing that we got attacked by a monkey.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And then you.
Our
Okay,
brand new
cerita what
Zapper
happened?
bottle
Oh shit.
was attacked.
Pierce through.
It bit on it and I didn't know and I drank it.
He monkey already. You see the
Monkey
ears are
already.
becoming like this.
No,
Becoming
we'll
monkey
The eyes
already.
become juling. The ears are...
we'll see tomorrow lah. If got
Yeah.
any-
If he starts sitting, if he starts walking like this with the forehand, puchi. Forehand.
We saw three butterflies.
Oh shit, really?
Pretty butterfly.
Yeah, very nice.
Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that soul sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body.
Abang daripada mana bang? Dah lama dah.
Dari
Daripada mana ni? Macam dah lama je orang regular je kat sini.
saya ni dah pernah daki Everest.
Oh.
Tempat regular training saya lah.
Oh, dah lama lah ni.
Dah kali ke 10.
Wow. Hebat bang.
Ya, terima kasih.
Okay, jumpa lagi bang.
Okay, jumpa lagi.
My mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that soul sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Telling me you feel fine. Never leave.
The mirror.
Tak, ni ambil tanpa consent je. Consent.
Ni bukan yang abang yang regular tadi tu ke?
Ya, barang kita balik dengan kita.
Oh my god. Monkey man already. Oh my god, the regular is here.
At the side of the road because Yunesh is vomiting.
Yunesh is vomiting.
But he's being
Hella
strong.
gay.
He's getting his plastic bag just in case. And there's a really nice song, so we're not giving shit. We don't care about him. We're listening to the song.
Looking glass, this goes a part of me. Darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like.
It's more of the feeling, bro, not the
Feeling.
What is this feeling? Let me lose some kilo weight.
This is what it sounds like. Everyone in already? Everyone in? Count.
I'm telling you, if you vomit, touch me.
Count. One.
Touch me, say 4.
Just say 4.
4.
Okay, 5.
Oh, we are done with Yunesh. Now having his first. Oh my god, yeah, I'm dead. Look at my eyes, bro. Wait, look at how puffy they are. I look like panda already.
Oh, hey, budak ni. Wipe your mouth.
Feel better? Makan. I think it's the Milo lah.
No.
How can it be Milo? Milo cepat ni lah. Apa tu?
Cepat.
Let me get a plastic just stand by.
Okay guys, kita baru je lepas makan. Yeay, kita makan kat mana?
Been a while since
Kita makan kat mana, Jun?
Hokkaido.
Wow. Just eat. Okay, let's.
All of us ate pork. Ah!
I think the name of the place is
Hockey.
Ki kopitiam.
Oh.
What is it?
Okay, what did you eat just now?
I had a sweet and sour chicken. Oh, it was decent lah, but it's not the best. But I'll give it a 6 or 7 out of 10. It was good. It was good. Correct. What else? Anything you guys want to say?
Let me interview. Yeah, interview Julia.
Hey, Julia.
Interview Julia. I had soto nasi. Soto nasi was good. No, that's wrong. Soto
it's
nasi
too loud,
and then cham, hot cham. It was good. And then the egg tart was quite.
Excuse me, this is gonna go to YouTube. What the hell? Censored it?
Still got right?
Yeah, still got.
This is a reminder. If you're listening to this audio, the music.
You can look at the.
No, if I look at myself, I'll get too distracted. Like, oh shit, what is this? Next time, Sabrina,
Wow, okay.
you edit the video, right? The music increase some more, so we cannot hear whatever anyone's talking.
That's not the point. I want your.
I know. I'm saying.
Listen.
Yeah, to be listened. So don't put the music so loud.
No, I feel like.
Why he park there lah, sial. Kena saman dia.
Saman baru tahu. So yes, Hejman, what did you eat?
Had salted egg chicken. Salted chicken with rice. It's not usually what I would go for, but you know why not?
Why
That's a
not?
lie. You're a liar.
The gravy was a little bit too thick.
Thick.
So
Thick like this.
I would give it a solid.
Sorry, yeah, just not Sabrina.
I'll give it a solid. Oh
Nampak Sabrina.
Oh.
What the hell? I did not saw anyone else's. No. Stop. Memfitnah, guys. Botak. Dia botak.
Who else gonna pandang? Seorang je botak. Kita ni.
The fact that dia pandang is crazy. Okay guys, we're gonna go back. So yeah. Okay guys, we're gonna go back. Siasap to go watch
JDT.
JDT, guys. Woo! So okay, see you guys at JDT Stadium. Okay, bye bye.
Mind games until you lose control.
So yeah, we are here already at Stadium Sultan Ibrahim SSI. Woo! So we're gonna watch the match now. JDT lawan Lion City. Yeah. So we're going to find our seats, settle down, then we're gonna watch. It's already 5:14. So yeah. Woo! Hejman, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah. How excited?
I'm one of the players.
How excited are you?
Huh?
How excited are you?
On the scale of 1 to 10, 9.8 9.8.
Ah, okay, we're gonna grab in. Okay, bye bye. Hi, we're inside already. We're inside. Oh my god, look at our view. And we're gonna watch. Woo!
Mind games until you lose control. Mind games until you lose control.
See the Shopee ticket?
Oh yeah.
The Shopee ticket.
I got it, but I didn't buy that. I was like, hey,
Begins once I grip onto your mind and soul, your brightness starts to dim. Sin after sin, you won't feel no more, and you lost your trust again. I know you wish you could let me know that you're praying for an end. I can lie to you and tell you you can get me out your head, but I'm loving all the pain I'm causing you too much instead. Maybe there's another side that you don't know. I can't wait to get you all alone.
So yeah, we finished the game. Woo. So what's the score, Julia?
3-1.
Yeah, we win.
Sabrina punya 42.
Oh, score last minute, guys. Additional time baru score. Oh my god.
So all our prediction came through because we said score will be 3-1. Arif Aiman gonna score.
For real
The
though.
only one that didn't come through was Bergson tak score lah sebab
Yeah,
dia tak
sebab
dapat
dia
sangat.
masuk lambat sangat
Honestly
kan.
sikit lagi ada boleh score tadi.
The match.
Shit.
You should have played.
Not because I tak apa.
Guys, kita nak pergi makan sekarang. We just got Zeus. Kevin, show your Zeus. Yeah. Yeah, we got Zeus because it was jam and then we wanted to waste our time.
Yes.
And now we're gonna go eat. Let's go. Lapar though after the match. Macam kita pula yang main. What the hell?
Yeah, saya main tadi.
Yeah, for real though. Kita main tadi. With this shirt, yes.
Saya training.
Oh,
Feel after the game?
holy shit. Actually, it was nice for the first time experience. Like I
The
really like
stadium
it.
is really nice, really clean,
Yeah.
spacious. The seats are comfortable,
For real. And then our seat is actually quite nice.
and the marshals were super friendly.
For real.
Helped us take group picture.
For real.
And I'm quite late. We
Yeah.
still
Oh
got our
yeah.
seats because people sat
Betul.
according to their seats.
Mantap. We love this kind of behavior. I think that's all.
Quite good.
Quite good. First time experience. Yes, sir. So yeah.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10. Yes. So next match is like what just now? JDT lawan Sabah. So see you guys on the
What's
next
that?
match.
Big group. I forgot which group.
So yeah. Bye bye. See you guys in the next vlog.